Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect and review the latest gadgets and appliances to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we're diving into the Miele Classic C1 Flex vacuum cleaner. Known for its German engineering and robust build, let's see if this corded vacuum still holds up in today's market dominated by cordless options. Let's kick things off with the design. The Miele Classic C1 Flex boasts the classic Miele aesthetic with a durable build and stainless steel suction tube. It's lightweight at just under 6 kilograms, making it easy to maneuver around the house. However, the design isn't without its quirks. The tool holder feels a bit flimsy and tends to detach easily, which can be annoying during cleaning sessions. Moving on to performance, this vacuum excels on hard floors. With its 800 watts of suction power, it effortlessly picks up dust, pet hair, and smaller debris. The suction is adjustable through 6 power levels, although I found myself mostly using the lower settings for everyday cleaning. The air filtration system is top-notch, keeping dust and allergens at bay, which is great news for allergy sufferers. Now, onto the elephant in the room: carpets. Here's where the classic C1 Flex falls short. The static brush head struggles on anything other than low-pile carpets. It's challenging to push and requires more effort than it should. Even with the suction dialed down, it's still a workout to clean carpets effectively. If you have a lot of carpets or rugs, you might want to consider other options. In terms of usability, the Miele Classic C1 Flex is straightforward. It comes with a long power cord and a decent operating radius, which is handy for larger rooms. The bagged system means less mess when emptying, although you'll need to invest in replacement bags over time. The vacuum's compact size makes storage easy, whether horizontally or vertically. Wrapping up, the Miele Classic C1 Flex is a mixed bag. It excels on hard floors with its powerful suction and reliable build quality. However, its struggles with carpets might be a deal-breaker for some users, especially considering the competitive landscape of cordless alternatives. If you prioritize performance on hard floors and value Miele's reputation for durability, the Classic C1 Flex could still be a contender. That's it for today's review on the Miele Classic C1 Flex vacuum cleaner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if there's a product you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.